Have you ever spent months memorizing grammar rules and vocabulary words, but the exact second a real person asks you a simple question in English, your mind goes totally blank? You freeze, give an awkward smile, and stay silent. That is not a lack of talent. It is simply a lack of a real time speaking practice. Yesterday in day 2, we learned how to stop hesitation. Today in day 3 of our 30-day fluency challenge, we are breaking through that silence. We are practicing a real natural expression that flow out of your mouth effortlessly without second guessing. Active speaking and real flow. Hello, language lovers. Welcome back to English with KD7. I'm here to make your English learning journey simple, practical, and highly effective. So, friends, let's start practicing together right now. Welcome back to day 3 of our 30-day English speaking challenges. I am joined as always by my learning partner Ujair. Ujair, be completely honest with me. After yesterday's lesson, did you practice your sentence out loud? Well, Katie, I read through all of them on my screen. Does reading silently count as a practice? Well, I appreciated your honesty, but regarding silently only trains your eyes, speaking out loud trains your vocal muscles and builds muscle memory. That is why today is all about opening your mouth and using everyday English in real situations. That makes complete sense. Whenever someone asks me a question unexpectedly, I know the answer in my mind, but the words get stuck in my throat. Yeah, well, almost every English learner experiences that frozen moment. Today, we are going to replace that frozen hesitation with a smooth, natural conversation. Part number one, moving beyond textbook greetings. Let us start with the basic daily greetings. Uzair, if someone walks up to you and asks, good morning, how are you doing today? What is your usual reply? I usually say, I'm fine, thank you. And you? That is grammatically correct, but it sounds a little rigid and textbook like a natural spoken English. Native speakers use phrases that sound much more relaxed. For example, I'm doing great. Thanks. Pretty good. How about yourself? Not bad at all. How are things with you? So saying I am fine is not wrong, but pretty good. How about you? Sounds much friendlier. Exactly correct. English gives the meaning, but natural English builds a friendly connection. Yes. Now, here is another key conversation habit. When someone asks you about your profession or background, never give a single word answer. Like if someone asks you, what do you do? What would you say? Well, I used to say just I am a student, but now I should say I am a student and I am currently focusing on improving my English communication. Brilliant. Short answers stop a conversation, but adding one extra sentence opens the door for a longer, meaningful dialogue. Part number two, polite communication, clarification phrases. When someone speaks too quickly or uses a word you do not recognize, never feel embarrassed. Polite clarification phrases keep you in a control of the conversation. Repeat this with me, Ujay. I'm sorry. Could you repeat that, please? Well, I'm sorry. Could you repeat that, please? Great. Could you speak a little more slowly, please? Could you speak a little more slowly, please? Nice. I see what you mean, but you could not give me a quick example. I see what you mean, but could you give me a quick example? Well, that makes complete sense. Thank you for clarifying. That makes complete sense. Thank you for clarifying. These sentences are wonderful because they sound polite and prevent misunderstandings immediately. Now it's a part three, expressing opinions, soft disagreements. As you move forward in your English journey, you want to share thoughts and opinions naturally. Instead of always saying, in my opinion, you can use, I feel like, from my point of view, to be completely honest. Yes. And what do you do when you disagree with someone? Saying you are wrong sounds harsh. A smoother, respectful way is I see your point, but I look at a bit differently. I respect that perspective, but in my experience, like that, let me try that. That is an interesting thought, but I see it a bit differently. Yes, spot on. You share your perspective while remaining polite and professional. Situation one, first day at the fitness center. Now let us put these tools into a real life practice. Imagine you just join a fitness center and a personal trainer named Ujair approaches to check your goals. I will play the trainer and you respond naturally. As a trainer, hey there, welcome to the gym. I am Jack, one of the trainers here. Is this your first day working out with us? Yes, it is. I am new here and my name is Ujair. KD, as a trainer. Great to meet you, Mr. Ujair. What are your main fitness goals? Are you looking to lose weight or build strength? My goal is to build strength and improve my stamina. Well, fantastic. Have you been exercising consistently or are you just getting started? To be honest, I have been a bit on and off with my workouts, but I want to be regular now. That is what we are here for. Do you have any physical injuries or health concerns we should know about it? No, I don't have any injuries. I am in good health. Well, awesome. What time of day do you usually prefer to train? I'll usually come in the mornings around 8 o'clock. Perfect. Welcome, adored Ujair. Thank you so much, Jack. I am excited to start. Excellent role play. Notice how you use clear compound sentences like I have been a bit on and off, but I want to be regular now. Now, situation number two, ordering at an outdoor food festival. Let us move to a second practical scene. You are walking through an outdoor street food festival and you step up to a snacks stall run by a vendor named Lisa. Uh, as a vendor, hello, welcome to our stall. Are you enjoying the food festival today? Yes, very much. Everything looks great and smells amazing. As a vendor, thank you. Our grilled chicken sandwich and veggie wrap are very popular today. That sounds tasty. What does the chicken sandwich come with? Now it's a vendor. It comes with the fresh lettuce, tomatoes, and garlic sauce. Do you have any dietary restrictions? No restrictions for me. I eat everything. How much is the meal combo? Well, as a vendor, the combo with a drink is $8. Perfect. I'll take the combo, please. Can I pay by card? As vendor, yes, we accept all cards here. Is your order enjoy the festival? Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Outstanding dialogue. You corrected the question word order naturally by asking how much is it instead of getting confused. Now, part number four, interactive speaking workout. Repeat out loud. Now it is time for our speaking drill. Speak clearly and repeat these sentences along with Ujair. My goal is to get better every single day. Well, my goal is to get better every single day. My goal is to get better every single day. I'm not sure I understand. Could you explain that again? Um, I am not sure I understand. Could you explain that again? That was really helpful. Thank you so much. Well, that was really helpful. Thank you so much. Could you speak a little more slowly, please? Could you speak a little more slowly, please? I feel much more confident about speaking now. Um, I feel much more confident about speaking now. It's a part number five, essential vocabulary breakdown. Let us review six key terms that appeared in today's lesson goal. A clear target or purpose you work toward. Example, my goal is to speak English naturally. Dietary restrictions, a limitation on what you can eat due to health, lifestyle, or allergy. Fluency, the ability to express thoughts smoothly and easily without frequent stops. On and off, doing something in intermittently rather than continuously. For example, I practiced on and off last month. Vendor, a smaller or merchant at a market or public venue. Plateau, a learning pages where progress feels stuck before reaching the next level. Part number six, three golden rules for daily fluency. Before we conclude day three, keep these three simple rules in mind. Narrate your day to yourself. Describe simple actions around you in English. For example, I am boiling water for tea to build automatic thinking. Learn complete phrases. Not isolated words. Learning phrases like "Could you help me with this?" gives you ready to use sentences. Do not wait for perfection. You improve by speaking imperfectly and correcting yourself along the way. In day three, wrap up homework or wrap up activity day four preview. What a productive session. Ujair, how do you feel after today's practice? Well, Mr. Keddy, I feel a noticeable shift. Instead of phrasing, I now have a practical phrases ready for greetings, asking questions, ordering food, and clarifying things politely. That is the power of consistent daily practice. Here is your day three challenge. Pick three sentences from today's session. Repeat them out loud 5 times before you sleep tonight. Write your favorite sentence in the comments below. Well, if this video gave you a value, hit the like button, subscribe to English with KD7 and turn on notifications so you never miss day 4. Yes, friend. Tomorrow in day 4, we will practice how to handle telephone conversations smoothly and express daily routines with the clarity. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and we will see you tomorrow. Goodbye, everyone. Thank you very much for watching this video.